Hello and welcome to this shape and space tutorial. In this video we will be talking about some theories that are related to angles and circles. The first theorem discusses two angles that are facing the same segment of a circle. As you can see here, look at the blue lines right here. You have two separate angles facing the same exact segment of the circle. I'm going to name these angles 1 and 2. So the theory says that angles 1 and 2 in such case are equal. And why is that? It is because they are facing the same exact segment out of the circle. Now I'm going to solve an example to make this easier. We have these two angles, one equal x and the other one equal to 30 degrees, and both are facing the same exact segment of the circle, which means that angle x is actually equal to 30. And why is that? This follows the theorem that we have just discussed. Now for the second one, the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. We have these two angles both facing the same segment out of the circle, but one of them is at the circumference and the other one is at the center. The theory says that the angle at the center is twice as much as the angle up above at the circumference. Now for the third theory, we have angle between radius and tangent is equal to 90 degrees. Well, if we take a closer look, it actually forms a 90-degree angle, a right angle. And why is that? It is because the tangent is perpendicular to the radius since it's cutting the circle at only one point. So, a quick recap, we have the first theory that says the angles facing the same segment are equal. The second one, the angle at the center is twice as much at the angle at the circumference. And for the final one, the 90 degrees forming between a tangent and a radius. That'll be all for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.